Hi friends, welcome to my channel Smart Solution. So today I am going to present to you about the details of 4%. So before I start my program in English, because I have kept this channel only for the people who don't understand Hindi or Bengali, because this is for my foreign friends, those who are working in 4% from other country. So there are lots and lots of people who are working in 4% and they are very successful. So first of all, I'd like to say you 4% is what is 4%? 4% is a funnel. 4% has some funnel. You can see that funnel exactly working on some sales channel. So channel in the sense, suppose you have taken affiliation from any other from a product, and you have suppose in the what happens in the Google site, that you open a Google and you put some keywords, and with the keywords suppose you write some mobile company brand name, and you forget to purchase that one, but you leave that site and go out. The moment you go out, Google exactly collect some cookies or some cache file. Cache file is right like that. Whatever you are doing on your site, it will be get stored. So next time when you revisit the site again, or you visiting to other page of your website, then that particular cookies will appear to you, and it will continue to show you the product again, and until unless you complete the purchase, it will continue to show you on the cookie site, and until you delete the cookie site from your laptop or your mobile phone. So this exactly what 4% work for you. It starts some basic planning for you. It is affiliated with some product, and this product you have to promote on your site or your from other side. These cookies they will be collected, they are brought into the funnel, big funnel, and this big funnel, there is a big side, this will come down, and then later on this funnel, with this funnel the sales route are coming, they are coming from this side, they are coming from this side, all over from 5 and 6 sources are there, and these sources are getting gathered in one funnel. And with the funnel, when you are crossing out, when you are passing down to the funnel to other side, then particular product is maybe it is bought by some person who are not you known, and the moment the sale is completed, you get commission. So this is what the planning. And basically the members who are just now don't know about 4% planning, you must continue to watch all my videos, because this is specially I have made for people who don't understand our language. So I have made it for foreigners, like European countries, like American people, or also from the person who are not in India. So right now in India we have launched this program also 4%. I am working the 4%. I am very successful, and I have seen lots of people are in my group as a what I could say, as a they are in a free member. So there are two types of option: either you can work from free or promo. The moment you are satisfied that you can work with a pro version, you have to pay 49 US dollar. So for the moment you will be paying 49 US dollar, you will be considered as a pro member, and pro member has some certain I think they have some facilities. What you can say is facility in the sense, the affiliation link will get generated in the next day, and but in the free member you will be treated as just a learner. So I think not so much facilities are there as a free member, but you can learn little day by day. But I have seen people from Delhi and other parts of India that they have got their first check within I think 15 days of their joining. Maybe within 15 days of the joining, they have got their first check, and it is around 2,200 US dollar. So these are the things that you can see as far as possible. The moment you are entering to this business, you are entitled to receive your first check, and somebody has got their first check in 3 days, somebody has got their first check in 2 days. So it differs from person to person as much how you put your efforts to the work. Efforts in the sense, you have been affiliated, and you are affiliated to 4% group, and 4% group will continue to create funnels, affiliation link, and each and everything that will be that is required for a person. So just now I am showing you on my laptop how the second stage, from the I think first 7 steps you have to learn it very minorly, friends, because these 7 steps are very important for each and everybody who are very new, who don't know how to market, who don't have any qualification like that to understand the basic needs for affiliation. It does not require, you just require your internet connections, you just need your laptop or your mobile phone, you can do business from your home, and you can earn 6 digit figure. It's very fantastic things that I have seen for the last couple of days. I have been watching all these programs of 4% group, and the 4% group has made many people as a successful entrepreneur. And if you want to grow as an entrepreneur, if you want to grow as a good businessman, you can work from here and you can earn 6 digit to 10 digit figure. Lots and lots of bucks are there waiting for you to earn, and that's what I try to say you, friends. Wherever you learn, you must write down in my comment box that you like the video, and if you have a query, you can give your WhatsApp number in the comment box. I will contact you personally from my WhatsApp number. And also I have a Facebook profile. You can go to my Facebook and you can send your friend request there, that and then I can accept all my Facebook friends there, and we will continue to grow, and I will continue to give you support till you achieve your success, because it's not that you have joined and nobody is supporting. Each and every time I am there to support you. And the people who are just now in the free member, I must tell them, you just become a pro member, because these things are changing at any time. The plans can change also, the prices can go higher. You cannot guarantee, you cannot make guarantee anything that the prices will be fixed all the time, because this time we are just now planning this program for our people. Our affiliation links are active, very active, and 4% group is always happy to help you. So friends, hope you enjoyed the video, and let's go to the desktop so that I can show you. Okay guys, all the best.